I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll factor by using the strategy of difference of squares. I hope you remember the formula for difference of squares. It is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now that is the strategy to factor these four expressions. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. That is the formula which we are going to use to factor these four expressions. You can actually pause the video, factor, and then look into my suggestions. 49a square minus 1, a minus b whole square minus a plus b. Then we have 1 minus x square over 4, and the fourth one is x cubed over 9 minus x. Let's begin with the very first one. 49a square minus 1. In this, we could write 49 as 7 square. In fact, I could write the first term as 7a whole square minus 1. So, 7a is my a actually, and b is 1. Now I can factor this expression as 7a plus 1 times 7a minus 1, correct? 1 is same as 1 square, correct? So I've used this formula where b is 1 for me, 7a plus 1 times 7a minus 1. You can expand and verify also. So we are using this strategy, correct? That is how you have to apply the formula. Now let's look into the second one. A minus b whole square minus a plus b. When you look at it, you can't really see that this formula can be applied. But now let us have another look at it. A minus b whole square, and if I factor minus first, then these two terms could be written as a minus b. Do you see that? Now we can factor a minus b. So we could write this as a minus b, and here we get a minus b. Since it is a minus b whole squares, we get a minus b, and from here we get minus 1. So this is not exactly difference of squares, but it is kind of related, right? So it is more of group factoring. So this example is more of grouping and then factoring, right? So let me write here, group factoring. Okay, let's look into the next one. 1 minus x squared over 4. I could write this as 1 minus x over 2 whole square, right? This is difference of square. That is 1 square, as you know, minus x over 2 whole square. So I could write this as 1 plus x over 2 times 1 minus x over 2. Now let's look into the last one. X cubed over 9 minus x. You can factor x first. So if you factor x, what do you get? You will get x squared over 9 minus 1. Now you can see x squared minus 9 is x over 3 whole square, and therefore I could factor this as x times x over 3 plus 1 times x over 3 minus 1. So that is how we can factor this one also. So there is combination of group factoring. We applied this strategy here, and then difference of squares. I hope that helps. Thank you.